I'm in Evansville, Indiana for Mr. Fence Academy's Fence Madness No Dig training.
My first time here, alone today, I've learned more than I really expected to learn today. You're being taught it, and then you have a chance to get hands-on, so you kind of bring it in and retain it a lot more.
It's really exciting seeing these guys show up that have never done this and actually seeing it happen right in front of their face and getting hands-on.
They really help with team morale. Just the guys being here, they saw exactly what they needed to do, coming from somebody else's point of view besides just mine.
You know, he says it on his trailer, they have the tools and they're going to teach you how to use them. It's that plain and simple. But more importantly, the Academy teaches you how to use them, how to increase your efficiencies, which at the end of the day, increases your profit.
I say it's like a diet. You know, they're giving you the tools, everything you need to do, but we still have to do it. We still have to put forth the effort.
He touches on every aspect somehow in the limited amount of time, to where our crew, we actually went back and ran the numbers the 3 to 6 months prior to the training versus the 3 to 6 months after training. We increased our efficiency by 54%. And in the following 3 months after that 6 months, we went up 67%. We can now fit more jobs in, which is more opportunity, which again, at the end of the day, is more profit. I can't tell you how much time, money, and headache you're adding to yourself to not just join Mr. Fence Academy. It will change everything about your business.